In this video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use to start making money promoting Clickbank products. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. So if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other awesome videos as well. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into today's video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Google and you want to type in a keyword that could be of benefit to a lot of people. And the reason why you want to target keywords that is of benefit to a lot of people is because that way you are going to generate a lot of clicks and traffic to your Clickbank offers, and that way you are going to make money. All right, so I am going to be taking health and fitness niche as an example. But if you come over to this page right here, you can literally pause the video and you can grab any of the niches on this page and you can replicate the same process that I am about to show you as we go into this video. So once you've done that, as you can see right here, I typed in something simple like healthy recipes that is of benefit to people who are trying to lose weight. As you can see right here, there are other keywords that I could target as well. So once you've done that, then you want to grab one of the articles on the search results. So I am going to be taking this one here as an example. All right, so you want to make sure you go to the website and make sure it looks professional and has a lot of information that is of benefit to people who are interested in that niche. All right, as you can see, this website looks really professional and it has a lot of recipes that is going to be of benefit to people who are looking for healthy recipes. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically just grab the URL to this website and then you want to head over to this website called snip.ly. So for those who don't know what this website does, is basically a URL shortener that allows you to drive traffic to your own website or to your own landing page. All right, so if that isn't clear enough, don't worry, I am going to demonstrate how to use this website. All right, so what you want to do, you want to paste in the link that you just copied. So you want to paste in the link in this box right here and you want to click on create snip. As you can see right here, this is the website in the background of this page, and this is where you are going to be writing your call to action to drive traffic to whatever landing page or whatever website that you want to drive traffic to. All right, so as you can see, once this website opens up, it's going to show a small box like this where people can click and get directed to any website or landing page you want to direct them to. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this CTA. So once you click on this CTA, this is where you are going to type in your message. So for example, we are going to be promoting a health and fitness product since we are targeting the health and fitness niche. All right, so I'm just going to type in something like best way to maintain good health. All right, so you want to type in something like this to grab people's attention. Then you want to head over to Clickbank and you want to go to Clickbank Marketplace and then you want to go to the health and fitness. All right, so if I click on this health and fitness category, all right, you can see right here there are a lot of products that you can promote to those who are interested in healthy living. All right, as you can see, this product right here is going to pay you almost $150 for a single sale. All right, as you can see, it's the #1 product, which means a lot of people, a lot of affiliates are making money promoting this Clickbank product. So what you want to do from here, you don't have to use this product, you can go for other products on this page as well. You can see another one here that pays $28 per conversion or per sale you make on this product. So what you want to do, whatever product you want to go with, all you just need to do is click on promote and you want to click on generate up links, and then you want to copy the link. Then you want to go back to Sniply and you want to paste in the link right here. All right, so whenever people click on the click here button, they will be redirected to this Clickbank product. So if I open the Clickbank product right now, all right, as you can see, this is the Clickbank product right here. So basically, once they click on the link, they will be redirected to this page, and once they place an order for this product, you will get paid in your Clickbank account. All right, so as you can see, everything is done on this page. So I'm just going to click on continue, and then you want to click on finish CTA. So once you do that, you want to grab your Snaply link, and if we go to a new tab and paste this link right here, as you can see, it's going to bring us to this page. And also you can see right here we have a box right here which is going to drive traffic to this Clickbank product right here. So anyone who clicks on this link, they will be redirected to this page where if they purchase this product, you will get paid in Clickbank. All right, so what you want to do from here, driving traffic, is very easy. Driving targeted traffic to this page. So you want to head over to Facebook and you want to type in healthy living, because you want to target those who are the most interested in weight loss products. All right, so once you type that on Facebook, you can see right here there are a lot of groups that you can join, and I don't recommend you going to this group to spam your link. Nobody is going to click on that link. All right, so what you want to do is, once you join this group, is very simple. All you just need to do is you want to paste in information that is beneficial to people who are interested in this group. All right, I hope that makes sense. So basically, like I said, all you just need to do is make as many Snaply links for this website. All right, you can see this is an article here, this is another article here, this is one article here. So basically you can make as many Snaply links for this website and you can paste them on these Facebook groups. As you can see right here, you are not driving traffic directly to this Clickbank product. So once they click on the link, they won't be brought to a Clickbank product like this. They will be brought to this page. So once they come over to this page, they will see this box right here, and once they click on this link, it's going to redirect them to this Clickbank product. So basically, this is how you can replicate this same process for as many links on this website as possible. So like I said previously, all you want to do is generate as many Snaply links to this product as possible, and you want to share those Snaply link on Facebook. You don't want to share your direct Clickbank link, okay? Because if you share your Clickbank link, Facebook is going to ban your account. You want to make sure that you share this Snaply link instead on Facebook. All you just need to do is make a simple post, all right, and paste in the Snaply link right here. As you can see, this is the Snaply link, and all you just need to do is you want to type in the title of the article. You can just type in something simple like this: quick and easy healthy recipe. So once people click on this link, all right, like I said, they will be brought to a page that looks like this, and you will have a box where if they click on the link, they will be redirected to this Clickbank product. All right, so you can join as many Facebook groups as you can and repeat this process, and I can guarantee you that if you keep at it, you will definitely make sales here and there. So that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.